Tastes like there's cheese in this. How's that possible? What's up, y'all? I'm Lauren Toyota. I am hot for food. I'm here every single Wednesday cooking up vegan love, making tasty, awesome, epic vegan comfort food to feed your face. There, I just said all of my slogans for you. Okay, we are kicking things off right now with 2 episodes in a row of barbecue sides that you can bring to your long weekend parties, picnics, potlucks, whatever. Summertime vibes in these recipes. Next week we'll be making one. This week we're making an antipasto bread salad, or you could call it an antipasti bread salad. Now, I did some research. Antipasto means basically appetizer. It means before the meal. Antipasti is the plural version of antipasto. So I can't figure out what to call this because this has multiple antipasto ingredients in it. Like if you were to get an antipasti platter, you'd have meat, cheese, olives, roasted red pepper, artichokes, all the things we're putting in this salad, except we're not putting the meat and cheese in there because you don't need it. You can do it straight up with all the delicious marinated vegetables, plus the bread, because the bread is the most important part. And may I just say, putting bread in the salad is genius. Okay, anyways, it's easy to whip together. You can have a little debate in the comments whether it should be called antipasto bread salad or antipasti bread salad. I don't know what we've put up in the title card because this is obviously shot before I did that. But you let me know what you think. Anyways, let's get to this recipe, shall we? First, we're gonna roast garlic bulbs and the slices of baguette on the same sheet pan. So cut the garlic bulbs in half crosswise to expose the cloves. Transfer the garlic onto a sheet pan, cut side up, and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and give it a pinch of sea salt. Now place the slices of baguette on the sheet pan and drizzle with a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. You'll bake the garlic cloves for 30 to 35 minutes in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the cloves are golden brown and soft to the touch. Now you'll set a timer to bake the baguette slices for about 12 minutes or until both sides are toasted and golden brown, flipping them halfway through the bake time. Cool the baguette slices on a cooling rack and continue roasting the garlic. When the garlic is roasted, squeeze the cloves from the garlic peel into a small dish and set aside. To make the dressing, you're gonna combine lemon juice, red wine vinegar, roasted red pepper brine, Dijon mustard, chili flakes, sea salt, ground black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. In a large salad bowl, add marinated mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, roasted red peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, marinated artichokes, black olives, red onion, fresh basil leaves, fresh parsley, fresh oregano, and pepperoncini peppers. Add the toasted baguette slices and the roasted garlic cloves. Pour in all the dressing and toss the salad, letting it sit for at least 1 hour before serving. The bread's gonna continue to soak up the dressing and become even more flavorful with time, and it's still suitable to serve this for up to 1 day later. look at this bread salad, antipasto, antipasti, whatever you wanna say. I'm gonna eat it with these big salad tossers. I don't think that's possible. Oh, I didn't even get any bread. Okay, I'm just gonna pick it with my finger. Mmm. Oh yeah. It's one of those kinds of styles where you're like pick around looking for the bite you want. Like, right now I want that thing. Now, earlier when I said it's genius to put bread in salad. Okay, of course, like duh, croutons. But this is like, the bread is the feature part of this. There's a lot of bread in here. It's not just a crouton, okay? Plus I found these cute little baguettes so I could do like small slices like you saw, but if you have to get a larger size baguette, just cube it up into big chunks. You could even tear it. Now the thing is, you don't want to under toast the bread. If anything, don't worry about over toasting it, because the whole point is that that toasted bread can sit here and soak up more flavor. If you under bake it, then it's just gonna get really soggy and not be like this delicious masterpiece that I'm eating right now. This is so good. This is gonna be a hit at your next long weekend barbecue. I don't think it needs it, but if you wanted more chili flakes to kick up the heat just a little bit, go ahead. Or add more of these delicious pepperoncini peppers. I like just little bits of that as I eat. So the recipe is in full on hotforfoodblog.com. And if you're looking for other summery recipe ideas, may I suggest you check out my cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 Recipes to Feed Your Face. There's recipes that are perfect for the summer, like the barbecue jackfruit sandwich, or the green pea pesto linguine, or my big fat Greek potato salad, which is kind of like this. Looks kind of similar, but it's got potatoes instead of bread. Now you could even combine these two. Do whatever you want. Everything's customizable, of course. So I promised you a second barbecue side recipe coming your way next week. Oh, it's a good one. We're getting dirty. We're making cheeseburger pasta salad. Hell yeah. And of course, I have even more recipe ideas on this channel for you to check out, watch, and make for your family and friends for the summer. So check out these videos right here. Keep on clicking through and subscribe to Hot for Food because I'm here every Wednesday. Bye, y'all.